So Nvidia is releasing another model, and I noticed that within the model section of Openrouter. So if you go to pricing low to high and also set it to text, you will notice that there is Nemotron Ultra 3. This is free, and you can see the context is 1M, and weekly tokens are low, however, so only small amount of coding and scripting can be done. You can use this with basically a mesh agent or OpenClaw. That would also work. Here you can see on coding benchmark it is doing decent, not that good, not that bad either, but can do with the reasoning, right? So you may want to try that, be it for Openrouter or also OpenCode, where you can see in OpenCode you have Nemotron 3 Ultra free. So we will take a look at that, and there is no specific mention of your basically how many tokens will be. So let's assume at least 40B should be there. So I'll be opening this in one of the folders. So inside the project, this is bolt based, so I want to open, let's see, our option of terminal. So let me open this in terminal, and here we will open OpenCode, right? So with the OpenCode, I just want to get the model started under, right? So if I type in OpenCode, and here it will open, where we have to select between the free options, so DeepSeek v4, Mimo, Nemotron. So among them, this we are going to select, right? So there seems to be another error, so let it start. Now here you can see it is asking to update. We will confirm. It will update in the background, and after that, once the update message does the work, we will use /models to go through the list of available models. And as you can see, it has done the upgrade. I have to check the models, and here you can see we have to check through OpenCode, and we have Mimo and Nemotron as options. So we will pick Nemotron 3 Ultra, go with the default. Now here we can actually look into the list. We will explain. I have this project for certification signing. I want you to do the code review and find broken pending features, and also do the code review on its maturity to deploy as a product, right? So we'll see how much it can do, and if it can't do code review better, then I don't think it's worth using for coding, right? So I'm supposed to let it save the file as well, because it will try and write everything on the screen which we need to see through HTML file. So now it has started showing me the review. You can see this is a prototype, and there are some critical issues, and also there are things that are implemented, and some of the production readiness issues are listed as well. And at the end you can see it has explained what is blocking the app deployment. You can see Alchemy SDK usage, right? And apart from that, you can see how many days it would take to fix these in order, right? I want to save this review as June code -review HTML with minimal CSS, and let's say that's it. So it will save this in the root directory. So our root directory is here, and we have given it the exact file name as well. So hopefully it will give us something that we can read in browser. So the model is intelligent enough to see through the code issues and also suggest you the things that you have to check in order to fix them. Open the file in browser. So here you see the broken features, pending features, then code maturity for production readiness, and finally all the available option for us to work on in next iteration, right? So we managed to check all of this. I don't think we can run more than this, considering usually 40 or something 40M 40B tokens won't be able to complete this entire code review into execution, but seems like a decent model if you ask me. It has given decent performance through open code for me. I have yet to try this in Openrouter, but if you have Openrouter extension through Kilocode, you can also run the same, right? In that case, you just have to select the option for your model through that drop down. Right here you can see currently my provider is Flowbar. I'll be switching to say Openrouter, and within Openrouter you can see I have to go to Nemotron Ultra, so it has to be N M N N. So here Nemotron 3 Super, this is Ultra. So hopefully this is the free flag. Yes, right? So you can use this through open code, or you can use this through Openrouter. So collectively you can have enough credits or tokens that can get the job done for your most of the coding work. But I think this one is good enough for code review and fixing small stuff, so you can use it for that purpose.